Okay, so now that we got to go get the sink faucet, this gives me a reason to take the Lambo to Home Depot. So let's get going. Or should I take this beauty and go get the kitchen faucet? I don't know. What do you guys think? That one or this one? Nah, let's go with the Lambo. Hey guys, welcome back. Vinny the Handyman. Today we're going to be installing a Glacier Bay kitchen faucet. So behind me here, we just installed it. This is what it looks like, the finished product. Today we're going to be installing the Glacier Bay 1005-604-255. Now I would assume that most Glacier Bay models are probably pretty close to the same. So whichever Glacier Bay model you buy, the setup is probably going to be the same. So with that said, let's get to it. Okay, today's video will be installing a Glacier Bay kitchen faucet. So we have the one hole here. We'll be putting it in this board hole for this bar sink. Okay, so let's open this up. All right, so it has a deck plate here if you want to use it. The common one right now is just having a single hole without the deck plate. These just catch more water and crap around the faucet, so I don't recommend using that. Okay, so these are going to go to your shutoff valves down below. This device here, this is going to clamp onto here once you fit it through the board hole. This is just going to tighten up underneath the sink. And again, you got your weight. I'll show you how that goes. All right, so it's a pretty simple setup.
You get a deck plate if you want to use it. I don't recommend using it.
Okay, so now we got it out of the box. We're gonna run all these lines through this bored out hole here. Now remember, each line is labeled hot and cold. So when you hook that up to your shutoff valves, you need to know which one it is. Okay. So you want to put the label in front of you. This is, like I said, Glacier Bay. If it's Delta Moen, make sure the label is in front of you. All right. So now we're going to come down below. Okay, so now that your lines are all ran, now we're going to install this. And I don't know what this device is called, but basically we're going to run the lines through this as well, and then we're going to screw it on to where it tightens the faucet down. Okay, so we're just going to run this all the way up until it screws on. Okay. All right, and then give it a little pull so it's nice and tight. So it's on there right. All right, so now we have our hot line. Okay, this is just gonna sit right on top of here. All right, now you can put some thread sealer on there if you want. It does have a rubber gasket, but I always put thread sealer on it anyways. This is the thread sealer that I use. So you're gonna put that on your hot and your cold. Okay, so now we're gonna put the weight on next. So this has the clip. All right, this clip is gonna sit over the black hose. All right, it says up. And Glacier Bay was nice enough to label it. I don't know if you could tell, but where this white tape is, it says weight. So they're telling you exactly where to put the weight. Okay, so that's where the weight's at. You want to make sure your clip says up. Okay. So get that in there nice and snug. And then the weight just kind of slides onto that clip and stops. So it's pretty simple. Okay, so the weight just fits right on top of that clip. So now the idea is that if this is down here, this retracts and goes up. Now some models have magnets in here, so this has a nice, tight fit. This one kind of hangs a little bit, so you have to help feed it back, but it does hold. So try to get one, with a magnet on it. To me, that's the best option. This one doesn't have the magnet. So, but anyhow, that's pretty much it. And then just turn on your valves when you're ready, and then do a leak test, and you're done. So again, this is for your Glacier Bay kitchen faucet setup. All right, so if this video helped you out with this model, some other models are pretty similar, but this was a pretty easy one. So if you guys like this video, please subscribe. All right, Vinny the Handyman signing out. See you on the next video. Bye.